Welcome to today's Science and Nature quiz. You'll answer 10 multiple choice questions. You have 10 seconds to think about each one. Let's see how well you know your stuff. Good luck! Question 1. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Gobi, GDC, OD, AG. The correct answer is C, O.
Gold's symbol O comes from the Latin word aurum, reflecting gold's long history in ancient Roman and pre-Roman civilizations long before modern chemical naming conventions.
Question 2. How many bones are found in the adult human body? A. 196B, 206C, 216D, 226. The correct answer is B, 206.
Interestingly, babies are born with around 270 to 300 bones, but many fuse together during childhood and adolescence, leaving adults with just 206 bones by their mid-20s.
Question 3. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? A. Jupiter, B. Uranus, C. Neptune, D. Saturn. The correct answer is D. Saturn.
As of recent discoveries, Saturn holds the record with over 140 confirmed moons, surpassing Jupiter. Many of these moons were discovered using advanced telescope surveys between 2021 and 2023.
Question 4. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? A. Amphibian, B. Crocodilian, C. Lizard, D. Tortoise. The correct answer is C. Lizard.
The Komodo dragon is the world's largest living lizard, capable of reaching up to 3 meters in length. Scientists discovered in 2009 that it actually delivers venom, not just bacteria, when it bites prey.
Question 5. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is C. Mitochondria.
Mitochondria generate ATP through cellular respiration and are unique because they contain their own DNA, supporting the theory that they were once free-living bacteria absorbed by early cells billions of years ago.
Question 6. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit scales equal? A. -20 degrees, B. -40 degrees, C. -32 degrees, D. -48 degrees. The correct answer is B. -40 degrees.
At -40 degrees, both the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales converge at exactly the same value, a fascinating quirk of the mathematical relationship between the two temperature systems.
Question 7. Which element makes up approximately 78% of Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Argon, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is D. Nitrogen.
Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the atmosphere, yet most living organisms cannot use it directly from the air. They rely on special nitrogen-fixing bacteria in the soil to convert it into a usable form.
Question 8. What phenomenon causes the sky to appear blue during the day? A. Refraction, B. Rayleigh scattering, C. Diffraction, D. Total internal reflection. The correct answer is B. Rayleigh scattering.
Rayleigh scattering causes shorter blue wavelengths of sunlight to scatter more than longer red wavelengths. This is also why sunsets appear orange and red as the light travels through more atmosphere, scattering away all the blue.
Question 9. Which scientist proposed the theory of natural selection as a mechanism for evolution?
A. Gregor Mendel. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Charles Darwin. D. Alfred Russel Wallace. The correct answer is C. Charles Darwin.
While Darwin is credited, Alfred Russel Wallace independently arrived at the same theory simultaneously.
Both men's papers were actually presented together at the Linnean Society in 1858, just a year before Darwin published On the Origin of Species.
Question 10. What is the half-life of carbon-14, used in radiocarbon dating?
A. 1,430 years. B. 5,730 years. C. 11,460 years. D. 22,920 years. The correct answer is B. 5,730 years. Carbon-14 has a half-life of approximately 5,730 years, making it ideal for dating organic materials up to around 50,000 years old. Beyond that age, too little C14 remains to measure accurately, requiring other isotopes for older samples.
That's all the questions for today. Drop your score in the comments, I'd love to know how you did. If you enjoyed the quiz, hit like and subscribe for a new quiz every week. See you next time.